how do we apply borders in the image. So this is very simple. So let's say suppose I have selected this picture, right? First of all, we unlock this picture. Okay, how to unlock this picture? We see here there is a lock, right? There is a lock. So we double click this and okay, right? We unlock there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then Control J to duplicate, or you can just click here. Sorry, not this. Right click and duplicate layer. Okay, right click and duplicate layer. So now we can remove this. Okay, now we can remove this. We don't need this. Control A to select. Right. Control A to select. We can take a new layer. Okay, Control A to select. Why I'm taking a new layer? Taking a new layer. As you can see here, I have taken a new layer. What is the shortcut key to take a new layer? Ahmed, Fatima, Madina, Hamadi. Samia, what is the shortcut key to take a new layer? What is the shortcut key to take a new layer?
Sir, Control plus Shift plus N.
Control plus Shift plus N. Very good. So now see here, I have taken a layer. Why we are taking layer? Why we are taking layer? New layer. Control Shift plus N. Why?
Because when we do changes in the next layer, the main layer will be remain as the original layer.
Okay, very good. Yes, you got the concept, right? Because we don't want to affect the original layer, right? We don't want to affect this layer because we want to apply borders, but in a different layer. So that in future, if we make some editing, we can do the editing very easily without harming the original picture, right? Without affecting the original picture. That is why we use layer. And shortcut key is Control Shift N, or you press this. This is called creating new layer. As you can see here, this one is called creating new layer. Or shortcut key Control Shift plus N. I have already given the shortcut key. So double click to give a border name. Okay, sorry, layer name. Suppose I want to give border. Control A, select. Right? Control A what? Select. Then we can go to edit and we can give stroke. Or we can go to select. We can go to select and modify border. Maybe I want to give 10. Again I will go to select, modify, expand. How much I want to give? Maybe 20. See, this like this we can give borders. So I don't want to expand 20. Maybe I will expand something somewhat to 10. This is called borders, right? Now what we will do is we will select one color from here, whatever the color that we like, that we want to give for the border. We can select one color, right? And how to fill the foreground color? Who will answer me? Name B. How do we fill the foreground color? How we can fill the foreground color? Shortcut key. What is the shortcut key to fill foreground color? Name B.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Control plus foreground. Sorry, Alt plus backspace. I think, yeah.
Yes, Alt plus backspace. Very good. So as you can see here, Alt plus backspace. Now Control D to deselect, right? So now, as you can see here, now our border is applied. We will save this. Okay, we will save this in the desktop with Photoshop image, with Photoshop Mr. Borders. Okay, I will give here file name as border, picture border. Okay, picture border. Now here you can see PSD format, but that means Photoshop document. Okay, so that in future, if we want to edit, we can edit very quickly. Like if you save in JPG, then we cannot edit, right? We cannot edit. That's okay. Now see here, if I off the eyes now, as we have made in different layers, as you can see, this is the this is the original picture, right? This is the original picture. This is the original picture, and this is the border where we have applied. So we have not affected the original picture. So if I off the eyes, the picture remains the same. See, That is why we use borders. Now let's see, we want to apply different borders. To open different borders, okay, let's see, we will apply some different borders. Suppose I have some borders. I want to apply this border. Alright, so maybe I want to apply this border. So what I will do, I will move this. So we have to use this move tool, right? I have already told you we have to use this move tool V to activate move tool V. Right? So this is done. So how do we increase or decrease the size of this border, Samya? Zainab, can you please tell me?
Sir, we can in here Zite, like with Zite option, we can zoom and
Okay. Okay, thank you. Zainab, I just want to confirm, okay, actually I had some confusions. Can you tell me your RC number? Your full name is Zainab Rahimi, or just wanted to actually have some confusion with the data. So can you
sir,
just
it's only Zainab. I will message in what your WhatsApp number, okay? My
Okay,
RC.
please. Yes,
Yeah.
please message me in my WhatsApp number, alright?
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Alright. Then I hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
So how do we decrease this? How do we see this border is going beyond? So how do we decrease the border?
Control T, sir. Transfer.
Control T. Very good. Then what we have to do after Control T?
We have to press shift, and from the corner we can decrease and increase.
Yes, Madina. Very good. So from corners we can increase or decrease, right, by using shift key, right? So what will happen when we press shift key? It will increase or decrease from one side. If you want to decrease or increase from both sides, then you have to press shift plus alt key, right? Shift and alt key together, as you can see from both sides, from all the four sides you can increase the size, right? This way. So I will apply here and I will just stretch this, okay, because I have to do this to get set here. So as you can see here, border is applied, right? Our border is applied, yes or not? And once you are done, just click this. Here, now we have given here a picture border, see, picture frame. So this, we will name this as picture frame, and this is called color border, okay? This is what? Color border, okay? So see, like this name we can give for identification, see, picture frame, okay? Spelling mistake, picture frame, FRAME frame, okay? Then this is the original picture. Now, as you can see here, now if I want the color border, I will off this, color border is there. If you want this picture frame, you off the color border, very simple, yes or not? And if you want only the borders, just you off this. I hope this concept is clear to all of you. Yes, how to apply borders.
Yes,
Yes.
clear.
Okay, then suppose, let's say for example you want to apply borders, any borders. Okay, like we want to apply borders of our own, maybe a picture, something like that. Suppose, let's say for example, I want to apply borders only this flower. Okay, so let me show you how we can do that. So we can select any picture. Okay, let's say I want to apply this. Let's say I want to apply this flower. Okay, I want to apply this flower as a border. So what we can do is we can use this. Okay, we can use this lasso tool, and we can select the part of the picture, any part of the picture that I want to apply borders. Okay, and just join it.
It's appearance, okay? So right.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have request for you, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, please change the time at 4 o'clock because I have another class. Just I don't know what it says, what you say. Just I don't know, sir. Please, sir. change the time.
Okay, sorry for okay. Thank you for your concern, but yes, I will see. But time as of now, timing cannot be changed. Okay, so sorry for that because this if I change the timing for your see simple example.
That's not why. That's not why. Always I say for you. Just you say no. Just this time is not 4 o'clock.
Okay, okay, Farhad, okay, fine, okay, I understand your concern, but listen me. Suppose, for example, if I take your concern into consideration and if I change the timing, and other students might be having the other classes, so we have to think for everybody, not for only you, right? I have other class at 4 p.m., so I cannot take Photoshop class at 4 p.m. You got my
What's
point?
that?
If you have any doubts, please timing regarding you talk to me, you call me in my WhatsApp number, okay? In my call, you call me, okay? We'll not discuss regarding the timings in this class. If you have any problems with the timings, if you want to
Okay, sir.
discuss, please call me, okay? Because we don't want to waste our timing in this, okay? So if you have any doubts, you please call me, all right? If you have any doubts regarding time, just call me. So and so time is change with the timing. So we will call. It's okay. All right. So guys, if you have any concern, please call me. All right.
Okay, sir. Your view, right?
Consideration, and if I change, it will affect the entire class plus all the students will get affected. That is the main reason.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Partially. We can hear you partially, sir.
Okay, just give me some time. Okay, and now can you hear me now? Am I audible? Yes? Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, see. Okay, so see, let me tell you, you were telling about the timing. Okay, like for example, okay, fine. If I take into consideration, okay, taking into account one student's concern, if I change the timing, what will happen? I have another class at 4 p.m., right? So everything is planned. So if I cannot take class at 4 p.m. because I have another class, right? And most of you might be going for other classes at 4 p.m., right? Am I correct? Most of you might be going maybe for English class
Yes,
or
sir.
maybe
Yes.
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
or an IMS class. So if I say that, okay, like suppose Ali Farhad has said that he has problem. So if I take consideration about Ali Farhad concern and if I change the timing, so what will happen is I have taken this lesson from lesser tool, I have taken this. Okay, there are different types of lesser tool. One is called lesser, polygonal, and magnetic. So we can use any of this and just we select this part of the image that we want to apply or take. Okay, so what I have done is I can give a feather if I want, maybe 5 feather. I want to apply this as a border, right? So what I will do is I will move this, okay, by using this move tool, and I will just drag it here. Now what I will do is Control T, Shift Alt, and I will decrease the size. Okay, so what we are going to do is now we are going to apply borders with this picture, right? We are going to apply borders with this picture. So first of all, I will off the layers from here. What we have done already. So I will off the layers. I off this layer also, this layer also. So we are working only in this layer now. So to duplicate this, as I have told you, what is the shortcut key to duplicate? Control plus,
Control.
sorry, Alt plus, no, sorry, to duplicate is Alt plus drag, okay, Alt and drag like this. So duplicate will happen like this. If you want to duplicate, just decide how much space you want to give. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm pressing Alt and drag from your mouse. So like this we can apply. Alt. For duplicate we press Alt, okay? For duplicate we press Alt. No, okay, so now this is done. Now, but these are all in different layers, okay? Now all are in different layers. So what we need to do is we have to merge. Merge means we have to combine together. There are how many layers? Maybe 13 layers are there altogether, 13. So we need to combine this so that we can move all this together. So what is the shortcut for merge layer is Control E. For merge is Control E. Okay, I somewhere I see merge layer is Control plus E. Merge layer. So what I will do is just select the first layer and press Control E, Control E, Control E, Control E, Control E. As you can see here, it is getting merged. So Control E, Control E. Okay, done. So now as you can see here, this is merge. Merge means to combine, right? Merge means what? To combine. Alt and drag, right? To duplicate, as I have said. Clear? Then again Alt and drag. Then if you want to rotate, press Control T. Now what we have to do is you just have to rotate from here. So see, from this corner, like this. When you get this symbol, you just rotate. You can rotate like this. You can rotate and fix like this and enter. Alright? Control T. So it is going beyond. So if you want to make it properly, you can do it from here, from this. Alright. Click this move tool, alright, or click this pick. Okay, so again we will duplicate this. Okay, now this should be now see here. Can you see here? This part should be where? Inside, right? It should be inside, yes or not?
Yes.
So how to do that? How we can do? We press Control T. Control T. And what we do is flip horizontal. Okay, flip horizontal. I repeat once again. First of all, Control T, flip transform. Then press right click and flip horizontal. Okay. Then once we are done, this is how we apply. Right. So we are done with this. I hope you understood. Like picture border, how we can apply border. See, this is. Okay, now what I can do is I can merge all these 4 layers together again. So how many other? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I will do, I can select like this. Sorry, Control E, Control E, Control E. See, now all this is in one layer. See, now this is in one layer. See, right? So we can move it together like this. So picture border, now we can edit. So Control T. So we can edit now like according to yours requirements, so we can edit like this. Okay, where you want to keep, maybe I want to keep here a bit. Okay, from top also, maybe I want to keep this part. Okay, should not be visible like this. Okay, then we will press enter. So we want to crop. Crop means to cut the unwanted part. So we click what? This is called crop tool, right? Click here and just try it and just click this tick mark. So we are done now. Control T, see, we are done. I hope this is clear to all of you, right?
Yes, sir, clear.
And if you want to display in full screen mode, what you have to do is press Tab and F. Tab and F, like this. Press Tab key and F like this. I believe you have understood this. If you have not understood, you can tell me. I hope you understood like how to apply borders. Like, see, now how many borders we have learned? This is called picture border. Picture border, okay. Flower border. Maybe we say we will keep name as flower border. Right? So as you can see, this is color border. This is color border, right? Color border. And this is what? Flower border. Flower border, right? And now the third one is picture frame. Clear? Anyone not understood regarding this? You can tell me. I hope you have understood.
Sir, for me, the other part is clear. Just that flower which you got posted there. So how it's with each other? Because when you are move it, the all flower fit together. So can you please explain that point only?
Okay. So for this, okay, let me take one document. Okay, I will take one more document here and I will explain. Right? So let us take that any design. Okay, let's say I will take from here. We want to apply this. So what we can do is we can cut any part. I can take lasso tool. Maybe I want to cut this part. I want to apply this as a border, right? So what I will do, I will select this part and I will give feather. For giving feather is called Control D. Okay, fine. Then okay. Then what I will do is I will move this. I will press the V tool shortcut from the keyboard V to move and drag it here. So we are done here. Now Control D. Now we have to increase or decrease the size as per our need and requirement, and we just drag it like this. Press Alt key and drag. Okay, Alt means to duplicate. Alright, Alt means to duplicate. See. Now all these are getting copied in different layers, I believe. See. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to make them one layer. So as you can see here, there are so many layers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 layers are there. So what we will do is to merge these, we press click in the first layer and press Control E, Control E, Control E. You will get the last layer till here. So as you can see here, all these are merged together now. See, merged. Merge means in one layer. So how to move this down? How we can move? Press Alt. See, now we have made this in one layer, right? We have
Yes,
made
sir.
this. So we made this. So it is easy to move. Why we merge? Why merge means to make one. Why we merge? The main purpose to merge is so that we can put all this together, right? All the layers together at one time. That is the main purpose. We merge layer. Then Alt and drag. Sorry. Okay. Alt and drag. So as you can see here, it is copied here. Then again, I want to make it on the left and right. So what I will do, Alt and drag. Press Control T. You can do it from here also. Rotate 180 degree. Sorry, right click and rotate like this. Click. Right click. Click horizontal and drag it like this. Or if you don't understand this, what you have to do is, okay, sorry, for example, if you don't understand, so simply Control T and just drag it from here. Okay, from drag it like this and you can make it straight. This way also is possible. So anyway, whichever we find easy, we can just extend a bit like this. We can extend. Now, to make this again, duplicate Alt and drag. Now we want to move on the left hand side. Okay, we want this face on the we want this to face inside. Control T, right click, flip horizontal, and enter key. So we are done. So now, as you can see, we have 4 layers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. See, if I off all these signs, now there is no any border. So if I want, this is top border. So we can keep name top. Okay, I can keep. This is for what? Bottom, so I can double click and I can write the bottom. So it's for our understanding. And this is what? Left. So double click and write left. The next one is what? Right. Double click and you just write right. So that we understand, okay, this is for what? This is for top border. This is for what? Right. Bottom border. This is for what? Left border. This is for what? Right border. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Now,
So now Control T. So sorry. First of all, we have to merge. Now if I press Control T, only one layer will get selected. Why? Because we have not merged. So first of all, we merge all this together. Now if I press Control T, it is selected together. And if you want to crop, press C or you just click it here. This is called crop. And just drag it here. And just press enter key from your keyboard also. That's complete. So our work is complete. How to give borders. So we have understood today how to give borders by using the color, right? By using the frame or by using flower, any design. So as you can see, this is called picture frame. This is called flower border, and the last one is color border. So those who have laptop or computer, this is your assignment for today, okay? I will check tomorrow, okay? How many of you have, please, you need to save the screen from tomorrow onwards, okay? Those who have, and please download the Photoshop. it's already given. Please download the Photoshop and you can install.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Photoshop, if you don't practice, then you will not understand. Photoshop is all about practice, okay? If you don't practice, you will not understand. Even if I am professional, if I don't practice, you come to zero level. Okay, Photoshop is something like this, computer is something like, if you don't practice, you have to repeat like from the beginning or from the beginning as a beginner. You have to repeat it as a beginner. I mean, if you have done the course, if you have completed, but if you don't practice, actually you become like a beginner. So just to get right, you have to go back, you have to take reference, you have to take help. So the Photoshop is same like this. If you don't practice, we become like a beginner level. So,
Sir, can we download Photoshop and Mobile too?
I have already shared the link. You can download from there. I have shared the link in the group. Please check. Yes, I have shared already. See, I have shared this link. You will download from here. You just click here and go to the link. You can download here. You will find Photoshop 7 and you click here. Okay. And it will take some time. You will have a good internet speed and you can download this. Okay, password is 123. Okay, password is what? 123. Just click this download. So it will take time. Okay, and you have to install. So whenever password it asks, you have to write 123. Okay, 123. Whenever you install the software.
Excuse me, sir. Is it okay to use CS3?
Is it okay?
Is it okay to use CS3 because I have already downloaded that?
Yes, you can use any version, no problem. Photoshop is almost same. You can use any version. Okay, there is no wrong with using 7 or CS6. If you have, you use that. Okay. You can use any version. It's not a problem. I hope this is clear to all of you, right? I believe this is clear to all of you. So you can increase the brush or decrease by using which brush? You can increase or decrease the brush size by using this. Okay. So suppose, let's say for example, I want to make a copy of this. Okay, copy of this woman, right? Just press Alt key. First of all, you have to activate the clone stamp. Okay, press this clone stamp, click this, and press Alt key and just click here. Okay, click it here, and take a new layer. I want to take a new layer. Control Shift M, and just drag where you want to apply. Suppose I want to apply here. See. You can make a copy of that movement, same movement, right? You can make a copy of the same movement. See? You can increase or decrease the brush size as per the need. See, it's mixing, so we can see like this. You can make like this. See, we have made a copy. This is the work of clone stamp. Okay, effect of clone stamp you can see here. So like this we can make. I hope you understood, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the effect of,
It again.
this is the effect of clone stamp, right? See, this is clone stamp. Cloning means what? To make a duplicate, right? Click the clone stamp and just press Alt. First of all, you have to click this tool, okay? You have to activate this tool. Press Alt and just click wherever you want to copy. Alt and click. And I will take a new document. Sorry, I will take a new document and I will just make it there. So just try draw like this. See, whatever I have, sorry, whatever I have copied, it is coming here like this. See, the same copy is coming here. See, to make a duplicate. See, the same duplicate. Like this. This is the work of clone stamp, as you can see here. Okay, further we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, today I will wind up early a bit because we have meeting today. Okay, so I will wind up early. So please practice this lesson. Okay, so I request all of you to please practice whatever we discuss about the borders. Alright.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
then.
sir.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Right.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.